Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today on Cooking with Corey, breakfast quesadilla. We are teaming up with TD Niche Pork. It's a Nebraska product right here in Nebraska. Great pork, the best pork you're ever going to eat. Today we're going to do some of their sausage and some of the bacon and some of the eggs that you can get. Alright, that's next on Cooking with Corey. Let's get it rolling. Alright, our ingredients for today are red bell, yellow bell, jalapeno, some pure maple syrup, some Colby Jack cheese, an onion, some Mrs. Renfro's medium salsa, delicious stuff, Mr. Dell's shredded frozen hash browns. We got some flour tortillas over there, burrito size, and we got the star of the show, which is some TD Niche pork sausage and bacon. And I did get 2 of these pork sausages, but I already chowed 1 of the pound, and it was the best tasting pork sausage I've ever had in my life. So, and then I thought, you know, look at those ingredients on that label. There's ginger in there, there's thyme, there's nutmeg, and there's sage. And that is the best sausage I've ever had in my life. Bacon, we're going to try out the bacon tonight for the first time. And this is how you get a hold of Travis. Right here is his contact information. Right there. Great pork products, Berkshire. There it is. That's how you get a hold of him. I will post his Facebook down in the description box. He would like you to get a hold of him. And he does whole hogs, half hogs. You know, give him a call. See what he can do for you. All right, let's get this cook going on next. Just make a delicious, gigantic breakfast quesadilla. All right, let's get this started. We'll add a little butter to our Blackstone. And with that, we will add a little bit of oil. That'll raise the smoke point of our butter. So it's not going to be there and burn it like a rammer there. So get that butter. That old system here. And right in the middle, we're going to start our hash browns. That's where we're going to start today. So we'll get our frozen hash browns. Yeah, we're cheating. We're going to eat the frozen hash browns. Why not? They are delicious. So, it's windy out here. A little bit of salt. And get a little pile of hash browns. Like so. Those on there. Get them into a little circle like that, and we will add our. I did inside. Chop-O-Matic is on strike right now, so I had to go ahead and chop this stuff up. So our bell peppers, our jalapeno, and our onion, that will go on top. Get them all out. Don't shoot yourself with that. Around like so. We will do 1 more pat of butter on the top. We will give it 1 more squirt of oil on the top to help our browning process. We will definitely give it some salt. We'll need that, and some fresh cracked pepper. Alright, we're going to let that go. 5 minutes. We're going to get that delicious TD Niche pork going, sausage, and bacon. Alright, we're giving our hash browns a head start here. This is a 36-inch Blackstone, so I got my first burner on 3/4, half, and like super low. And I'm probably actually just going to turn this off because I'm going to need that later for my tortilla to sit there without burning. Let's add some of this delicious TD Niche pork bacon to our flat top here. And get that going. Look at that. Top quality pork, top quality bacon. This is going to be a top quality quesadilla. I'm here to tell you, impeccably clean hands, just wash, and I will go in and wash after this. So let's get our bacon on there. we'll keep rolling on with our breakfast quesadilla. As my buddy Tommy over there at the gallery, Backyard Barbecue, would say, enjoy the sizzle. Alright, time to check our bacon. I already flipped one. Look at that delicious TD Niche pork bacon. These aren't as hot as up here as over there. So we gotta find our hot spots on our Blackstone here, which I already know right down there is the hot spot, because obviously those are hot. So we will pull these down. And when you're griddling or flat topping, it's all about finding your hot spots and heat management. Like so. So bring it to where it's hot if that's what you want, or not if that's what you don't want. Alright, our hash browns should be looking good here. Let's give those over like GT would say over there at GT's bar. Flip-a-roo. Oh, look at the color on those. Alright. Our Blackstone is hitting on all cylinders today, even with this wind. So give that a flip. Our bacon separated out here. Get these three pieces moved over there because they're about done. And separate it out. Alright, we'll probably get that delicious. I mean, the most delicious sauce I've ever had. We'll get that going next. Alright, our bacon is on point and it's over here. It is, it's chilling. Getting a little more crunchy. Our hash browns looking good. We're going to move those up here. Let those chill out a little bit. Doing just fine. We got a lot of bacon grease around here. And we're going to add some more deliciousness to that, because we got the best sausage I've ever ate in my life. And I'm not kidding when I say that. And that takes a lot. I eat a lot of sausage. TD Niche pork sausage right there. With all that deliciousness it's got in it. So break it down. And some of this is going to disappear off of this Blackstone. I'm going to keep that. I'm going to be eating the crap out of it. And that bacon, on point. Great bacon. And I'm not even saying that just because when I'm doing a video with them. Good stuff. Quality and quality. Everything about TD Niche is quality. And that's why it's delicious. Alright. We're going to cook some sausage. Where our sausage is basically done, so we can move that over. I would like to point out that there was not a lot of fat leaching out of this deliciousness. I mean, it's really top quality. So, move this inside. That deliciousness of our sausage. Hey, let's cook some eggs next. Then we're going to build this bad boy quesadilla. Well, we got the Blackstone fired up. Let's get some eggs going on here to continue on our quesadilla adventure that we got going on here. Do a pat of butter. Right now, I got over here, I got my far right burner turned off. I got my second to right turned to probably 3/4. My second over there is, he's still ripping it, probably halfway. And I trim my left hand off because we got to build the quesadilla mix. We don't want to be burning that up. But we got to make some eggs here. So, butter, a little bit of oil. So we're not just burning the heck out of our butter, and that's not good eat. Moving around here, and we got our eggs. These are from TD Niche Farms too. Great orangey yolk on these. So. Get these going on here. A little bit at a time. We don't want too crazy with it because they'll go everywhere. So a little bit of time. Keep moving them around like so. A little bit more. Add the rest of those. Alright. We're gonna cook our eggs like so. Oh, heck yeah. And this, listeners, this is what happens when you guys use quality ingredients. I'm here to tell you. Look at those eggs. Farm fresh eggs. When it's done, they will keep cooking. We're gonna pull them over. Let's build our quesadilla. All right, time to start building our quesadilla. So we're gonna do like we usually do. You know, impeccably clean hands, just wash. Your pat of butter, a little bit of oil, so we're not burning the heck out of that butter. I mean, if you're into that, then fine, go ahead. But we don't want this over screaming heat because we got to build this quesadilla, and we got to build it fast because of the heat. So our shell goes down like so. We will add our salsa to it like this. It's gonna be a long take, so stay with me, peeps. So here we go. All right, looking good. What would be better than some cheese on there? So let's put some cheese on there. Yeah. Nice old healthy helping of the cheese, because cheese is delicious. All right, let's build. It's hash browns here. Those around on there. Get a nice layer of hash browns on our quesadilla. Get them all the way to the edge. Make sure you're not messing around with yourself. I'm going to use the bacon next, so we will put some of this delicious TD niche bacon, which is outstanding, out of this world deliciousness on here. Go ahead and build this up with our bacon. Oh, look at that. I mean, come on now. And we got our scrambled eggs here. This chop up and this put those into the party here, like so. Oops. Have a runner there. Alright, get them over here. Get them all in there. That was 4 eggs worth, I might add, of scrambled eggs. Alright, get them down. Everything's situated in there the way you like it. And right now would be a good time to add some of our pure maple syrup to the party here, just a little bit. Got a lot of heat going in there, so this sweeten it up just a little bit here with some maple syrup, because we can. You know, it's cooking with Corey. We do what we want. All right, sausage. And I'm not lying when I said this is the best sausage I've ever ate. It is second to none. Best sausage I have ever had in my entire freaking life. And I eat a lot of sausage, so I'm here to tell you. Alright, so we got everything going on there. Let's, you know what? Let's do another layer of salsa right here. That way we don't have to worry about other stuff. We'll do salsa, and we'll do more cheese. There, get a lot of cheese on there like so. All around, get it out to the edge, spread it around, and we'll put our other potato like so. A little smush. Everything's incorporated. We're gonna lose some stuff out of the side. This thing is super freaking huge. Why don't we go ahead and give this a flip now? Everybody's here watching. It's not bad. I'm gonna screw this up. It's gonna be fine now. We're gonna flip it over. We are gonna lose some stuff, but don't freak out. It's gonna be all good. All right. Put that back into there. That is just Snoopy snacks for yourself. The flip. We'll get the other side all nice and crunchy. Cut into this bad boy now. Alright, time we cut into this bad boy. We did a lot of work on this TD niche quesadilla. Hey, let's cut into it. Alright, let's pull this bad boy apart. Oh, they cut it very good. Look at that. Bacon. I'll eat that. Maple. Deliciousness there. I'll tell you what. A heck of a quesadilla. I let it set a little bit too long until I cut into it. That's why it's a little string. But damn good. Don't forget to check out TD Niche Pork. You won't be sorry. All right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. See you next week.